chemical texturizing service is curl reforming, which changes overly curly hair to curlier wavy hair. The hair is first relaxed to reduce the curl pattern, and then permed to create a new curl pattern. Curl reforming requires 3 steps: reduction, reforming, and rebonding. In the first step, reduction, the natural curl is reduced by applying a product known as a rearranger. It's applied to the hair using the same application procedures as in chemical relaxing. The rearranger is only rinsed but not shampooed from the hair prior to proceeding to the reforming step. In the second step, reforming, the waving lotion, which is known as a booster, is applied to the hair. The hair is wrapped with the desired rod to begin forming the new curl pattern. After processing, the hair is rinsed and towel blotted with the perm rods remaining in the hair. Rebonding, the third and final step, involves neutralization. The neutralizer locks in the new curl pattern. The neutralizer is applied to the rods and remains in the hair for the full processing time. A successful curl reforming service requires an organized selection of products, implements, and equipment. Your textbook has a complete overview of this. As always, infection control and safety are important considerations when performing any hair service, including curl reforming. Infection control always begins by washing your hands with liquid soap before beginning any service to prevent the spread of any harmful bacteria. In addition, there are several key procedures that should be a part of your safety considerations. First, always examine the scalp for any irregular conditions, such as scratches, abrasions, irritations, or cuts. If you discover any, do not proceed with the curl reformation service until the scalp is healthy again. Place a neutralizing bib around the hairline with the elastic bands on top of cotton to prevent skin irritation and chemical burns. Also note that most bleached hair is unable to receive chemical reformation services. Cut off all hair that has been previously treated with sodium hydroxide if curl reforming is desired. Always perform a strand test to determine the hair's competency. If the hair is dry, brittle, or overporous, recondition it first and/or cut off damaged ends to avoid overprocessing. As with any service, a client consultation before the service will help ensure its success. Knowing and practicing the 5-step consultation procedure, as detailed in your textbook, is your best way to help guarantee your client's satisfaction. Once you learn about relaxing and perming, you will be able to combine those techniques to alter the natural texture of your client's hair for a multitude of texture options. In this exercise, you will combine hair relaxing and perming techniques to create a new curl pattern. A virgin thio application technique is first performed to remove most of the natural curl pattern. Then, a contour wrapping pattern is used to create the new curl pattern. Horizontal partings are used in the center rectangle. Diagonal and horizontal partings are used in the outer side section, and diagonal partings are used in the inner side section. Once you've completed the preparation phase, you may proceed to the exercise. Apply a protective base cream to the hairline and ears. Then, apply the curl rearranger and smooth the hair using the same application techniques that you used to apply the virgin thio relaxer. Follow the manufacturer's directions for processing. Rinse and towel blot the hair. Next, apply booster to each section prior to wrapping the hair. Comb the booster through each section to ensure even distribution. Use rods at least 2 times the diameter of the natural curl pattern. Wrap the center rectangle first, then the sides. Use different length rods to accommodate the intersection. Use the band and picks to secure the rods in position. Keep in mind that the hair is in a swollen, softened state and must be handled carefully. Continue to use the same techniques and complete the wrap. Follow manufacturer's directions regarding processing. Note that some manufacturers may require that you wrap the hair first, then apply the booster. Rinse with tepid water and the tools in position. Towel blot the hair to remove excess water. Next, apply the neutralizer and process according to the manufacturer's instructions. Make sure that the hair on every rod is fully saturated as you apply the neutralizer throughout the entire head. Rinse, then remove the rods and apply a moisturizing conditioner. Then, finish the hair as desired. If a hair color service is desired, a semi-permanent or demi-permanent color is recommended. Once you finish this chemical reforming service, perform the completion phase of this exercise. The success of the curl reformation service depends largely on the client's home maintenance program. It is your responsibility to make sure that the client knows what to do for successful, easy style maintenance.